So which chapter are we doing? Because I wasn't there for 2 weeks.
Acha, हाँ, you are not there, no?
Yes, sir.
We are doing surface area in volumes, Ashini.
Okay, sir.
We are doing surface area in volumes. And question number 5, we are doing 13.3 exercise, question number 2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sahil, children, you on the cameras, all of you. Nihar are on. Satvik, Sriyanvi,
Sir,
Ashini.
2 minutes on my camera.
All right. So see, next question is, children, next question is, what is the length of tarpaulin, 3 meter wide, will be required to make conical tent of height 8 meters and base radius 6 meters. So we have to make what? Conical tent. This is the conical tent. So what is given in the question, that first we have to write here. Conical tent is here. So tarpaulin, we are using tarpaulin like this. Okay. You know what is tarpaulin? No, one plastic kind of thing will be there in which we don't know this length. This length we don't know. But we know the width of this. This is 3 meters. So what length of tarpaulin we have to use? Required to make conical tent of height 8 meter. Height is how much? 8 meters. I'll write here. Height is equals to 8 meters. I change this one. I write in red. So height is 8 meters. 8 meters will be required to make conical tank of height 8 meters. Base radius is 6 meters. Radius is 6 meters. Assume that extra length of material that will be required for stitching margins and wastage is cutting approximately 20 centimeter. Approximately how much wastage they have given here? Wastage in cutting and stitching margins. Stitching margins is equals to what? 20 centimeter. Okay. So how much length you are getting? No. That one is, you should extract 0.2 meters. You should add over there. Means you can write here 0.2 meters. Right, children? So height is 8 centimeter. Sorry, height is 8 meters.
I didn't understand the question, sir.
Question you're not able to understand. They are saying that, once again I'm repeating the question. They are asking that we have to use one tarpaulin. Tarpaulin is nothing but a plastic sheet of paper where people are using, in rainy season, they are using to cover something, right? So by the help of that sheet, that plastic cover, we have to cover one tent such that the tent height is 8 meters and radius is 6 meters. Okay. So we have to cover this tent. Means you have to make what? We have to, means tarpaulin, we should put tarpaulin on this top. Okay. This top and
Yes,
all.
sir. CSA.
So
Yeah,
sir,
curves
actually
of
having some internet issues. What is this question, sir? Which exercise?
you can see the screen.
Yes, sir.
So here question is, we have to cover the conical tent by
Is it the
tarpaulin.
same exercise as yesterday?
Yes, 13.3.
Okay, sir.
So we have to cover the conical tent by tarpaulin. So we have to miss conical tilt curved surface area should be equal to what? This tarpaulin surface area, right, children? So I'm writing
Yes,
here
sir.
CSA of conical tent is equals to area of tarpaulin. Can I write like this, children? Tarpaulin. Can we write like this?
Yes, sir.
So CSA of conical tent is pi RL. Pi RL is equals to area of tarpaulin's length into breadth. So here, children, L is not given to us. So this is your length and this L is different. L is nothing but your slant height. So we have to write here h square plus r square. That is h is 8 square plus r is 6 square. That is 64 plus 36. You will get 100. So root of 100 is 10 meters. Okay. So L is we got as 10 meters. Now put the values here. 22 by 7 into radius, that is 6, into length is 10, is equals to length into breadth. Length we don't know, and breadth is 3. Can we find length from here, children?
Sir, we found the length. No, just now you found the length.
That is the length of this one. That is your slant height of the cone.
Okay, the cone.
And this is the length of the torplane.
Plane, okay, sir.
So here L is equals to,
Sir,
we
what
can
is a
write
dot plane?
what?
Sir, is there any formula for dot plane?
Your sound is so, this one, very less it's coming.
Sir, is there any formula for dot plane?
Top length.
Dot plane, sir.
That is rectangle, no? This torplane length is coming rectangle type. This length into breadth we are using, no? Formula.
Oh, so a dot plane is a rectangle.
Yes, torplane is coming in that only, no?
Okay.
So length is equals to 22 by 7 into 6 into 10 and divide by 3. So cancel this, 3 2s are 6. So this comes 440 by 7. So if you do this, 4 7s are 7 6 are 42. 2 will be here. 2s are 14. 6. Then 8s are 56. Then 4 will come. 5s are 35. Then 5. It's coming like this, children. And if you add 0.2, 0.2, what will come? It's come approximate to 63 meters. Check, children, what is coming answer? Something is there. Just check, all of you. What is the answer given at the back? 22 by 7. So 440 by 7. 7 6 are 42.
Sir, I am also getting 63, sir.
I'm asking, check the answer at the back. What you are getting, that is different. Answer should not be wrong, no? If both of us will get correct, means correct. If something is getting wrong, means we should correct, right?
Sir, should we take for the 440 divided by 7, should we take only 2 places of decimal or more than that?
Take 2 only. That is enough, not a problem.
Sir,
Yes,
it's coming 63 meters.
at the back, that's approximate, that only I have written here. 63 point something will come, but approximate I have written here. It's clear? 14, then 6 is there. 7 8 is 56. So here 4 will be there, then 5 is. Yeah, it's coming same only. So shall I move further, children? It's clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir, it's 62.105.
62.105.
Yes, sir. When we add 62.85 plus 6 plus 0.2. Okay, we have approximated. We have rounded it off.
0.2 is how you'll get 0.2, how you'll get 63 point, what will get 10, right? Yeah. Or if you use 3.14,
Yes,
then
sir, I got 63.05.
okay, yeah.
Sir, so I'll approximate it to 63 only.
And if you take 3.14, use they're asking 3.14. That's why you will get exact thing. If you use 3.14, no, you'll get exact. See, 3.14 multiply by 6 into 10 divided by 3. Then you'll get exact, I think. 3 to the 6, you'll get 6.28. Yeah, see, that's why we are getting wrong. So you'll get 62.8. Then you add 0.2, you'll get 63. In the question only they are told use pi is equal to 3.14. Okay. It's clear to everyone, children?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. So I'm moving to the next question. Question number 6. Taruni, you tell me what is given the question and what we have to find here. The slant height and base. See, slant height is nothing but L, right, Taruni?
Yes, sir.
And base diameter. Diameter is given. So what is length over given here? Slant height is what?
25 meters, sir.
And diameter is?
14 meters.
So we can write here radius is equal to 7 meters. Then what you have to find here? Find
Sir,
the
CSA.
Find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface of the rate rupees 210 per 100 meter square. This is conical tomb. Conical, cone. It means we have to find CSA over here. So first you find CSA, then we just discuss about this point. See, this point is very important over here. If it is given 1 meter square, then what you should do? If it is given 100 meter square, then what you should do? This yellow part is very important over here. First you find CSA, what you'll get? Pi RL you get, right? Pi RL. So here you have to use 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into radius.
Sir, we get 550, sir, by our CSA.
Okay. So 7 will get cancelled.
So
550.
conical is nothing but cone, right?
Yeah, conical, cone.
Okay.
You can relate to cone only. No, anything is coming by pronunciation. Any other thing, cylinder, cube, cuboid, anything is not coming. No.
Yeah, okay. Arthur.
Yeah. So CSA is 550 meter square. Then children, what to do for this 210 and this 100 meter square? Who will tell me?
Sir, 550 into 210.
550 into 210, that is the answer.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir, it's
Yes, sir.
500.
What about 100?
210 by 100, sir.
I thought it is 5.5 times total.
Sir, it's 55 to
Yeah,
21, sir.
Yeah, if it is given, see, listen here, children, you should confuse here because if it is given rupees 210 per 1 meter square, if they give directly, this is the answer. If they given 100 meter square, then you should divide by what will give, that you should divide by 100. Understood? Suppose it's given 200 meter square, divide by 200. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But what is the concept behind it? You see, you can concept is like you are using like unitary method. Like 100 meter square cost is 100 meter cost square is 210. So 1 meter cost square is how much? 210 divided by 100. So for 550 we have to find the 550 is nothing but 210 divided by 100 into 550. Understood, children?
Yes, sir.
So this concept you should know. Simply why we are dividing by 100, that you should understand by this. If 100 meter square cost is rupees 210, so for one what will come? 210 by 100. Then 550 how much will come? 210 by 100 into 550. It's clear to everyone?
Yes.
Or very easy method,
sir.
more easier method you want means make one box. Here put 2 points over here. This side you write here rupees. This side you write meter square. Okay. So for how much rupees? For 210 rupees, meter square is how much? 100 meter square. So how much rupees X you take? How much rupees? How much 550 will come? In this way also you can do cross multiplication. Understood, children? You can write here X is equals to 550 into 210 divided by 100. See, I taught you two methods to solve, to understand which is easier to you.
Second
Either,
method.
yeah, this method also you can understand. And if you don't want to remember method also, if here 100 meter square is given, that you divide by 100. That's it. Nothing to do worry about that. But concept is like this. Okay, children? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, could you repeat that 100 divided by 100 part?
So I am getting 1155.
Yeah. What she should repeat, Nihar? Which one you are asking?
Sir, the last way you told that 100 divided by 100.
This one you are saying. This one. Suppose if they give here rupees 210 per 100 meter square.
Yes, sir.
Just suppose this, if this is given 1 meter square, so directly you should multiply by 210, correct?
Yes, sir.
If they given 1 meter square over here, then directly you should multiply by 210.
Yes,
If
sir.
they given 100 meter square, then you should divide by 100. Means suppose here they give,
So 210 divided by 100.
yeah,
Okay. Okay. So 2.1 into this.
yeah, correct. So if you want to remember or for competition, you can directly divide, or for if you want to concept where it is coming from, then you can use this type. All right. Then moving to the next question, number 7th. This is again cone question only. A joker cap is in a form of right circular cone. Joker cap in a form of right circular cone. Base radius is 7 centimeter and height is 24 centimeter. Find the area of sheet required to make such caps. So you should find CSA, children, right? The CSA of, if you write 10 caps directly, you can find CSA of 10 caps, you can write no problem. That is 10 into CSA of each cap. So you can write here 10 multiplied by CSA of each cap is pi r L. And L we don't know, we can find L like this, h square minus r square. So if you find, you'll get 25, okay? If you find L, you'll get 25. So 10 into 22 by 7 into radius is 7, length is 25. So 7 get cancelled. So 25 into 22, 25 into 20 is 500, 550. So 5500. This is the centimeter square of 10 caps. This is the area of sheet required. This much area of sheet required to make 10 caps like this. Taruni, you have read all the formulas of this chapter.
Sir, I've read, sir, but then I'm just confused. I need to learn a bit more.
Okay, fine. Wait for the class after 5 minutes. I'll tell you the formulas, how to remember easily. Okay, Taruni,
Okay, sir.
is it clear to everyone, children?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now question number 8, you see. A bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of the road. If road is here, no. So government is barricaded using what? Hollow cones made of recycled cardboard. One cones will come, right, to barricade the road, right? So like cones they are using to barricade the road to stop the people to come inside. The bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cones. How many cones are there? Number of cones is equals to 50. Each cone has a base diameter. Each cone base diameter is given as 40 centimeter. It means we can write here radius, we can write is 20 centimeter, correct? And height is 1 meter. Height is 1 meter. If the outer side of each of the cones is to be painted and cost of painting, outer side me understood, no? Outer side means this side.
The bigger radius, right?
Bigger radius.
Sorry, the bigger part.
Not bigger part, CSA of it. Bigger means, yeah, side. That curved part of it.
Okay, so they're asking the CSA only.
Yeah, CSA only, yes. So if the outer side of the cones is to be painted and the cost of painting is 12 per meter square. See, if this is given, so very easy. 12 per meter square multiply by 12 you should do directly. If they're given rupees 12 per 100 meter square, so divide by 100 you should do in that way only. So what will be the cost of painting all these cones? So CSA of all cones you should find, right? CSA of all cones, or directly if you want a one line answer, then what you do is cost of painting directly. I'm writing cost of painting of 50 cones at the rate of rupees 12 per meter square is equals to, right here, 50 into CSA of each cone multiply by 12. We just try to do, you are growing now, try to write in only one line. If you don't want to write, you can just go step by step. So both methods I'm teaching you like this, one by step by step, and one you can do in one line also. So 50 into CSA of cone is pi RL. So here per meter square, children, this is very important. Try to understand here. This is per meter square is given over here, right? So everything you try to convert into meter only. Okay. If you're writing it like this formula and 12 is in meter square. So try to convert everything into what? Meter only. So height is okay. Radius you convert into 0.20 centimeter. Sorry, meter. Okay, children. So here pi RL into, again you should find here L. L, what is the L over here? H square plus R square. What will come? Just find it out. H is your 1 square plus 0.2 whole square. So you'll get 1 is 1 plus 0.04. So they have given also 1.04 is what? They have given here root of 1.04 is 1.02. Correct? See here the question only they have given here. Root of 1.04 is 1.02. So you can write here instead of L, what we can write? 50 into 3.14 into radius, that is 0.2, multiply by 12. Sorry, L is 1.02 into 12. Now this much you should solve and you should get the answer. So if you do 50 into 0.2, so 52 is 100, you'll get only 10 into 12 into 3.14 into 1.02. So you can write 120 multiply 3.14 into 1.02. Just check, children, what you are getting the answer. You divide, you multiply this one and get the answer for this. So 12 fours are 48, carry 4. 12 ones are 12, 12 and 4, 16. 36 and 1, 37. 0, 367.80 into 1.02. Again, you should do. I think it's coming around 380 is coming. Check. 380, 390, something like that. What we are getting, children? Question number 8. Nihar, how much answer we are getting? What answer we are getting?
Sir, I'm calculating, sir. I'm getting a bit confused.
Okay.
Sir, in the third line, sir, 10 into 12 into 3.14 into 1.02. Sir, how did you get 10, sir?
50 into 0.2.
Okay. So you took this 2 and 5 together.
Satvik, tell me the answer. What actually the textbook is given?
1 minute.
So after multiplying, I
I
am
got
getting
384.336.
What? Plus there?
I got 384.336.
384.336.
336.
Okay, check. Satvik, what answer is given at the back?
1 minute, sir.
so 384.
It's given at the last also same only, Sahil.
So
Sir, it's 384.
384.34.
Okay.
Yes, sir. 384.3.
Yeah, same answer only. Fine. 384.34. That's they have given this one approximation they have used. Okay. So this is the questions. These are the questions for this chapter is used for class 10th also children. Polynomials. Then this chapter, these all are repeated in class 10th also. If you read properly, same type questions you will get in class 10th. It's clear to everyone. Shall I move to the next question? This exercise got finished, I think. We have to move to next exercise, last exercise of it. Shriyanvi, Ashini, Sai Ritvik, Sahil. All of you people are off the cameras. Huh? What happened to you people suddenly? Ashini, why you are closing the camera again and again? Hmm? Shriyanvi, what are you doing there? You are getting everything, Shriyanvi. No doubts in any steps.
No doubts, sir.
So we are moving to the last exercise of it. Last exercise is 13.4. Though this is the sphere and
So,
But we
hemisphere.
have till
the
13.8,
previous
right?
question one time.
13, what are you saying? 13.3 you want?
Yes, sir. The last question.
Yeah, Ashini, you are asking something?
So don't we have till 13.8?
Yes, sir, we
7
have
or
to
8.
13.8.
Acha, 13.8, no, yeah. 13.8, 13.4 we are doing, it will take long time, I think, yes. Here I'm having 13.4, I should make note of it. Means still 13.8, yes. Ashini, you were there in the first class when you started this chapter.
No, sir.
You also wait. Taruni and you, I'll just tell you the concept of it, this only formula part, okay?
So is it after this class?
Yeah, it will take 2 minutes. And anyway, that video also I'll upload today. How much I don't know. I'll upload today video from first class. Means Monday.
Sir, after this NCRT, are we going to do any other questions?
Yeah, extra questions we do.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. So you've taken Sai Ritvik. You have written. So I
Yes, sir,
should.
I'm done.
Yeah, okay, I'm going to start 13.4. This exercise is based on sphere and hemisphere, children. I'm just telling the concept of a sphere and hemisphere. In a sphere, just recalling the formula, sphere volume is. What is the volume, Sriyanvi? Did you remember? Pulastya, what is the formula for volume? Pulastya. All of you remember this? And there is no any total surface area or curved surface, all are same only. If you ask total surface area or curved surface area, both are same in a sphere. So we write it as 4 pi r square. How to remember easily? Only you see the numerator part. 4 pi r cube is there. In area, surface area, you should write here 4 pi r square. Taruni and Ashini, try to understand here. If volume you understood 4 by 3 pi r cube, so TSA and CSA is very easy to remember. Only you see the numerator part. 4 pi r cube is there. You should write 4 pi r square. Because this is area, 2-dimensional thing, and this is volume, that is 3-dimensional. Okay.
So for both of them, it is the same formula, 4 pi r square, TSA and LSA.
Yeah,
And
because if you see the sphere, any ball, if you see, so there is no separate any curved thing. No, this whole thing is what? Curved, you can say, or total surface area, both are same for the sphere. If you're talking about hemisphere is just half of a sphere, right? So volume is also half of it. So if you divide by 2, you will get 2 by 3 pi r cube. Understood? If you divide by 2, 4 by 3 divide by 2, what do you get? 4 by 3 multiply 1 by 2. The 2 2s are 4. The 2 by 3 you are getting. 2 by 3 pi r cube will get for volume. CSA will be what? Numerator part only you see, children. Only numerator part. 2 pi r square. How to remember? 2 pi r square.
Here TSA and CSA are equal or they are different?
In which hemisphere?
Yes, sir.
You see the
They are
hemisphere.
different, right?
Yeah, different only because see hemisphere is like this. So your curved surface area is this yellow part what I'm making right now. And if you add this extra, this top part, this becomes TSA. TSA means one extra round color is coming over here, right? Not getting.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got it, sir.
Suppose like Katora, you have heard this one bowl like kind of thing.
Yes, sir.
So this is
That
this
flat
will,
surface is also coming.
yeah. So flat surface is also coming here, right? And if you see the sphere, nothing is flat over there, right?
Yes, sir.
So in case of a sphere, CSA and TSA both are same. In case of hemisphere, CSA is different and TSA is different. Try to understand Shriyanvi and Ashini and Taruni. First, you see sphere. Sphere, there is no CSA and TSA. Either you can say complete is CSA or TSA, because whole sphere is what? Curved surface area, right? So here only one formula for CSA as well as TSA. But in case of hemisphere, we are having one extra top here. You can see here extra top. That's why we are adding one TSA. For finding TSA, we are adding one more area of circle. So what we should do? 2 pi r square plus pi r square extra. That is 3 pi r square. And easy way to remember is 1 minute, children.
Sir, here surface area means TSA or CSA, sir? Is it both? Because it's the same.
Sir, you're on mute.
Children.
Sir, I was asking surface area means we apply the same formula 4 pi r square, right?
In sphere, you are saying, right?
Yes, sir. First question.
Yeah, CSA or TSA, both are same, 4 pi r square only.
Okay.
And in volume and CSA, TSA, here is also easy to remember also, children. CSA, you just see top part, 2 pi r square. And for TSA, down is 3, the 3 pi r square. That's it. Okay. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear
Yes,
to
sir.
everyone?
Clear.
Sir, will you be
Yes,
posting
sir.
the this thing for the test on Sunday syllabus?
I will not post. Next week, I'll think. Because if you have not finished the chapter, no.
So then this test what will we have?
Only 2-3 chapters, old chapters I'll put. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Like polynomials and all, I'll just make it 2-3 chapters and we'll just final. Huh?
Sir, could you put polynomials and lines and angles?
Like that only,
Yes,
just
sir.
polynomials, lines and angles are okay.
Sir, Heron's
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And here,
last time you have kept, but there's nothing from Heron's formula.
Sir,
Ah.
sir, could you
Like
give,
what
sir,
she
could you
called-
keep Heron's formula in the next test? I need time to prepare for it, sir.
hey, here in formula, it 1 hour work. Nihar, what you want in Iron's formula?
Sir, polynomials is a lot of work, sir.
Yes, sir. Please, sir, can you keep it?
Yes, sir. Polynomials.
Polynomials and lines and angles is okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
okay.
sir. Because I have recently prepared.
What what you are saying?
I have recently prepared for it, sir. Polynomials and lines and
Oh.
angles because I was having a test
Okay, fine,
in
fine.
school.
2 chapters okay for children? 2 chapters okay? Sai
Yes,
Ritwik?
sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
polynomials, I'm a little unsure, sir. Could you please change it some?
Polynomials, you are a bit doubt.
Not
Sorry.
doubt, sir. Like I know the concepts, but it'll take a lot of time to prepare that.
You're having no today,
Could you keep
tomorrow day.
polynomials because polynomials is important, sir. Like,
Sai Ritwik, Sunday also you have time by evening, you just try by 4 o'clock. No problem. Whole day you are having, no?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So see, first question is find the surface area of the sphere. The surface area is nothing but just one I'm just doing for you. Surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r
पूरा
square.
चार्ट डाल ले देख दो
Hey Sahil, you are speaking.
सॉरी सर
कौन चार्ट डाला पूरा? हाँ?
इट्स माय किटन सर
अच्छा, क्या चार्ट डाला? दूध?
यस सर
Okay, 10.5 into 10.5. So 4 into pi is 22 by 7 into 10.5 into 10.5. You just do this one, 7 ones are 7.5. Now you can do easily, you multiply lot of this one calculation is there. Okay, you can do that.
Sir, 7 into 1.5 is 10.5.
Yeah,
Okay, okay.
15 sevens are 105. That also you don't know. Now you multiply and get the answer, that is centimeter square. All right, children. So I'm moving to the next sum. These sums are like Bachu sums, only you should use the formula, get the answer. Okay. Next question is surface area, same thing only. Only you should make radius. Okay. Diameter is given. First you convert to radius and then you can do that. All right, children. Second question I'm not doing for you. Question number 3rd. This is also same. Total surface area of the hemisphere. TSA of hemisphere is equals to hemisphere is equals to 3 pi r square. So 3 into 22 by 7,
200.
10 into 10. So here they are asking use 3.14. So use 3.14 only. Then multiply, you will get 4 3s are 12. 3 and 4, 9. 942 942 only will come. This is centimeter square. Okay. Now next question. Simply I'm solving and going, children.
Sir, 100, so the points will be cancelled, right?
Yeah, if you multiply, no, you will get 9.42 and multiply by 100, what do you get?
The points will be cancelled. Okay.
Yeah. So if you point you remove, here 100 will come. So both will get cancelled over. So the next one is radius of spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter. Pulastya, how to do this question?
Let me think.
Huh?
We'll first calculate the. Right, we don't have to calculate it. The area.
Who knows this question? Who can do this question? Question number 4th. Anyone? Raise your
Like, I didn't
hands.
get it.
Huh?
I did not get it.
See, we have to find
Sir,
ratio.
we have to find the surface area and just put the ratio symbol and do it.
Yeah, see, ratio of surface area, they're saying,
okay.
no. They're asking ratio, right? The right
Wait,
here.
let me just think.
Hmm. Can you see this? If they're asking ratio, we can write it as SA1 by SA2. Surface area of first balloon divided by surface area of second balloon, right?
Yeah.
Then we can write same formula 4 pi.
Oh yeah, we can just do that. Okay.
Simply cancel 4 pi get cancelled. R1 is 7 into 7. R2 is 14 into 14. So 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. Answer is 1:4.
Okay.
That's it. Any doubt? Satvik, Nutakki. Satvik, you are having doubt?
No, sir.
So ratio part, simply you divide it. That's it. Over. So hemispherical bowl. Made up of brass has inner diameter 1.5 centimeter. Find the cost of tin plating it on the inside and rate of rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. Hemispherical bowl made up of brass has inner diameter 10.5. So hemispherical bowl is like this. Hemispherical bowl made up of brass has inner diameter 10.5 centimeter. Find the cost of tin plating it on the inner side at the rate of rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. See here, children, again here 100 centimeter square is coming. They should multiply by 16 and divide by 100. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So here we need to do is hemispherical ball brass inner diameter. The radius of diameter is 10.5 centimeter. So radius will be 10.5 divided by 2 centimeter.
Also, we have to find the CSA, right?
Inside only, no? Yes. Ball made of brass inner diameter. Again, find the cost of tin plating. Yeah, because bowl is not covered. Okay. So CSA of hemispherical ball. CSA of hemispherical bowl is equals to hemispherical bowl is 4 pi. Sorry, 3 pi 2 pi r square, right? 2 pi r square. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 10.5 divided by 2 into 10.5 divided by 2. And if you want, you can directly rate also. You can find this is easier, I think. So 7, it will come 10, 1.5, 2 get cancelled, and 2 and 11. So no need to multiply. Don't multiply right now, children. CSA you keep as it is. Okay, right here centimeter square. All right. Right here now, cost of tin plating is equals to cost of tin plating is equals to CSA of hemispherical bowl multiply by 16 divide by 100. Okay. So CSA of hemispherical bowl, just you write whatever is given, what you got, that only you write. 11 into 1.5 multiply by 10.5 divide by 100 into 16. Is it clear, children? That this point you remove, this point and this point you remove, what do you get? Multiply by 100 again you get. Now we try to cancel. So here 15, 5 3s are 15, 5 20s are. Again, 5 4s are 20, 5 21s are. 4 4s are 16. 4 25s are. Now you want to do. Better don't cancel 4 and 100. Okay. Let it be like that. Now you multiply better. 24 into 1, 84. 84 into 33. So 4 3s are 12, 25, 252. So 2772. 2772. 2772 divided by 100, 27.72 rupees. Eh? That's it. Huh? This much only is coming. Check, children, what is the answer for this?
Yes, sir. It is 27.72.
That's it. Over. All of you are getting how we have done, children?
Yes, sir, even I'm getting 27.72.
What you are doing in this question? Same way you are doing or some other different way?
The same way only, sir.
See what I have done. You just trying to understand here where you're feeling doubt or something like that. You understood, no, children, why I have not cancelled this here? Because it's down
Yes.
part is easier to cancel it out. Okay, that's why I have not cancelled on the top. If you multiply there, if you multiply here only this yellow part, it becomes so big. Again, you should divide by 100, multiply by 16. Nihar, where are you doing mistake?
Sir, I got the same answer, sir.
Then you are saying some different answer.
I told I got the same answer.
Achha. So question number 6. Find the radius of a sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. You have to find the radius. So simple. What is given here? Surface area is given. So surface area of hemisphere is equals to sphere. Surface area of a sphere is equals to what? 4 pi r square. The surface area is given 154. 154 is equals to 4 into 22 by 7 into radius. That is we have to find here. Now r square is equals to what we can write? 154 multiply by 7 divide by 4 into 22. So 22 sevens are. So now r is equals to 7 by 2. 2 centimeter, or you can say 3.5 centimeter. What we are doing, children? R is equal to root we are finding. Root is nothing but 7 into 7 divided by 2 into 2. So out of root you take, it means it come only one time. So 7 into 7 is 7. 2 into 2 is 2. Why 2 into 2 is 4? 2 into 2 is 4. No, why am I writing 2? Because we are bringing it out of the root. If you are bringing something out of the root, you have to make pair and bring it out only one times.
Sir, if we don't understand, then we can also 7 square by 2 square, that is
Yeah,
whole,
that only, no?
whole root. That is only what we did, no, sir?
Yeah, something. If anything is repeating in root, so we are bringing it only one times out of the it.
Okay.
Actually, you are saying this way, right?
Yeah,
So
sir.
it become
Root
again,
is cancelled.
again not here full whole square is there, then you can cancel like this.
Yes.
That only concept.
Okay.
So next question is,
Sir, will you have a doubt session tomorrow?
yeah, we'll have.
Okay, sir.
What time? We'll keep as 7:45 is okay. 7:30
Okay, sir.
like, huh?
Yes,
Anytime is okay, sir.
sir,
Okay.
7:30 is okay, sir. At
Yeah.
7:30.
Okay, fine. 7:30 will keep.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow or day after?
So
So
tomorrow.
day after is the exam. I mean the test now.
Okay, the tomorrow only you want. Tomorrow, I'm having this 10th class, no, tomorrow.
Oh,
I'm taking 10th for class 10th in the same evening time only. So if you are, what actually? But polynomials and this you are having doubt.
Sir,
If
I'm
we-
not having any doubt. But polynomials and lines and angles of yours.
Sir, I was doing lines and angles question and I was having two, three.
Can you
doubts.
put test on surface area and volume?
But how question will do? Only
Sir,
one.
surface area and volume, could you put it next week?
yeah, sir, we'll be done and then we'll have some time.
Okay,
Yes.
which one? Real numbers you can do. Real, sorry, number system you
Yes,
can
sir.
do.
That also we can do, sir.
Yeah,
So
sir.
I was not there for number system.
But first chapter, no, you have not did, Ashini.
No, sir, it is not done in a school also.
Okay, everyone is ready with polynomials.
Sir, polynomials,
Yes, sir.
lines and angles.
You are
Yes,
not,
sir.
you are not having any doubt, right, Nihar?
Sir, those are 2, 3 questions and I'll ask you over WhatsApp. So that's not a
Okay,
problem.
okay, you can find no WhatsApp. You can ask anytime.
Yes,
But try to put in WhatsApp. No, try to
Sir,
put in
how do
WhatsApp.
we
I'll
put
try
it
in
WhatsApp,
WhatsApp.
sir? There's no attachment option.
No attachment option.
Yeah, sir. I have
What?
tried to keep my
See
doubts.
what you are
to
having doubt,
answer.
children. No, you ask to Rahul sir. Is there no Rahul sir?
Yes, sir.
You ask him. He will guide you how to put this one and all.
I got it.
That
Yes,
I'm
sir,
saying.
we have to
Sir,
put
do
it
we
in
upload
discussion,
it?
Yes,
right?
sir, even I got it.
We have to put it in discussion,
Is
right?
it add discussion and
Yeah, add discussion and then you'll get the
oh, okay,
option
thanks.
of uploading.
Okay.
So in
Yeah,
that
sir, I
way, you
understood.
keep notes. Then I'll take all the screenshot and put one day and just clear it of all the doubt. Like that I
Okay,
can do.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So tomorrow actually I'm having 10th class. You do aram say what is there in that? Get 1, 2 mark less, not a problem. Try to understand. It will
Yes,
clear in
sir.
the doubt session, right?
So actually, I have not done polynomials.
You've not touched only.
Sir.
Hmm.
Could
Then
you give polynomials because I have a test in my school and it will help me.
okay, Sahil, what you do? No, you just read today only. What you are having doubt, you call me, not a problem. Where are getting doubt? Only small
Okay, sir.
and polynomials. I already this one attached to the classroom also, Sahil. It's not much. You can just go through and you can do it. The YouTube. The
Okay, sir.
Yeah, it's given there also. All sessions are recorded and attached to the Google Classroom.
Okay, sir. No problem.
I will not take much class. You know, this is a big chapter. That's why it's going beyond a week, right? Actually, 3 days. I'll finish the whole chapter, right, children? Heron's formula will take only 1 or 2 days, including the extra questions. We have did a lot of questions actually. This chapter is bit so many exercises there. No, that's why it's taking bit time.
So in school, they just like explain 1, 2 question and all other exercises they have given
Homeworks.
like homework.
Sir, in our school, they give worksheet also.
They will not teach anything in class, but worksheet so much things they will give.
But no, sir, they discuss worksheet, sir. Full they
They'll
discuss.
discuss the concept and say that 1, 2 questions, same concept, and give us homework. That's it.
Acha.
Sir, full
they-
worksheet they'll discuss, sir.
They discuss the worksheet in class.
Yes, sir, full worksheet.
Full worksheet they discuss.
Yes, sir, they discuss like
Wow,
teacher
then
discusses.
nice then. You will have a doubt, then it's okay, right?
Sir, but then I don't copy that whatever she tells us.
When the children who did already worksheets, then how they will listen to teachers then? What they will do? Simply listening.
So they'll only say the answers in my school, sir.
Acha.
Like the teacher won't involve when if they're having doubts. If they don't have, then leave. Or else like the
They
students
explain
will
means the student will come to the board and explain the answer.
Yeah, sir, that's exactly what happens.
So
So in
people
our
will
school, let's take them vice versa. 5 questions they do in classwork and 2 questions they give as homework. Easiest question.
But a student will means explain means a student will understand.
The teacher will monitor what he says, but if he's saying wrong, then the teacher will come, or else the student can say sir, because he
No.
is the only know. He only did
Mm.
the worksheet, so
But a
Cyrus,
student,
you're in which school?
huh?
You're in which school?
same
Gaudium.
school. Your same school only.
No, sir. I'm in a different school. I'm in Gaudium school, sir. It's a new school.
Acha.
I don't think anybody is from.
And
in
Nihar,
this
you which school you are in?
Sir, Chirag, sir.
Chirag.
Yes, Chirag International.
The Chirag International. Okay, okay. You are having less chapters. No, if you do in ICSE board, so many chapters are there in ICSE. Here only 15 chapters means 15 days time. 15 days we can finish it off. 15 chapters, 15 days over. In one day also I can teach from morning to night. If we start learning the concept. Very less chapters are very less, you know. Probability is only for 15 minutes. You have read probability or not, children?
So you're saying you can teach in 15 days, but they have
Sir.
extended that to 9 months, sir.
Yeah.
In one school year.
Yes, sir. Our school is struggling to teach, and we have extra classes, sir.
Extra is only they are just.
Sir, yes, sir, in my school, they're struggling to finish polynomials and go to linear equations, sir. They have taken 4 classes for linear equations.
So they take one or more, sir. They take 1 or 2 weeks.
Yeah, sir. Because not every class is math.
But I think every school is having one period at least in one day of maths.
No, sir.
Yes,
We
sir.
only
Math
out of
every
5
day we
days,
have.
No,
we
sir.
have 2 days of math. 2 days that we have a period of math.
In a week, 2 days.
Yeah, sir. One day we have
Sir.
2 periods, and the other day, so 3 periods per week.
So we have 5
every
days.
day math,
Out of
sir.
5 days, 4 days we have
Saturday
maths.
also we have
One day
maths.
do not have.
Saturday also we have maths.